Namaste. So today I want to talk about how you can achieve anything in your life through self-love. What is self-love actually? If really I'll start loving myself, will I get something which I want to do? For example, just for an example, I am obese or I have a belly and I want to reduce my weight, I want to reduce my belly, then how the self-love will help me to reduce my belly? Well, here I'm gonna tell you that how it can help you and you can achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. I'll give you the 3 points. The 3 points, if you apply it in your life, and you will see the result. Number 1, whatever it is, whether it is in the form of fat which is accumulated in you, is this really a belly which I say no, I have a belly or I am obese? Whatever it is just part of you. You first need to accept it, love it, because it is within you, it's a part of you. So once you accept yourself, you start loving yourself. All right, whatever I am, whether I'm obese, I'm thin, I'm big, I am short, whatever it is, start loving yourself. That yes, it's part of me, it's me, what I am. And the number 2, once you start loving yourself, start accept that the reality. Yes, that whatever I am, if I'm obese, yes, I'm obese. Now we'll go for the self-transformation journey through yes, I need to reduce weight. Yes, I have a belly which I need to reduce it. Once you start accepting the reality, then the changes happens. Do not jump directly into the conclusion where you say no, I want to get the result. First you understand yourself. First you see yourself, that whatever you are, you need to love yourself. Without loving yourself, you cannot achieve anything. If you think that oh, I'm obese, I have a fat, so the negative things will come to your mind, and from there you can't able to get the result. If you could able to get the result for a short while, again it will come back. So what I'm trying to say is here that understand the meaning of that, how self-love can help me to get something in my life. Number 1, which you start loving yourself. Number 2, which accept that whatever I am. And number 3, which is very important, which is acknowledgement. You have to acknowledge yourself that yes, this is me, it is part of me, which is obese, which is extra, and will work on for the transformation journey. This is how the mindfulness and consciousness work. When you become more mindful about yourself, your body, whether it is excess or it is in any form, which is just accumulated in the form of fat. I'm just giving an example. So once you acknowledge yourself, then your journey has begun. So you need to acknowledge that whatever it is, whether you are fat or thin, short, long, whatsoever. Remember this 3 point always, that love yourself, accept it, accept the reality, and acknowledge it. Once you understand this 3 point, then you start walking in your inner world, and I'm telling you, the answer which you will get from your inner world will be from within you. This answer nobody can give you, and this answer is extreme, which actually resonate with yourself. So remember these things, the 3 things which I have mentioned it. Acknowledge yourself, love yourself, be kind to yourself. Then you start listening the inner call from within you, and you will see how this transformation journey will begin. I'm always there to help you out. I'm giving you my best wishes to all of you. If you feel that this video could reach somebody and it could help somebody, please share so that we can reach more and more number of people. Thank you so much. God bless you.